39.99 for Parkside shelving at Lidl. Do you know that brand? For the tools, I saw an ad, I rushed over, I bought it. Recently in Ruxell's, I bought several shelves costing between 150 and 200 each. To put them in the attic to set up my tools, a workbench, since you can put them at half height, so it's pretty convenient. But 150 watt, 200 per shelf, while at 39.99 watt, you basically get the same assembly system. Why spend so much now? Is it worth it? We'll assemble it quickly. You just need a mallet and screwdriver. I'll let you know if it's worth it. Is the Parkside shelving from Lidl worth Euro 39.99? Yes, because it's only Euro 39.99. Don't expect top quality. The angle bar, you see, I can move it in any direction. If I press on it, I can crush it. The middle reinforcement has small tabs you fold down and you can feel some movement. The so-called board is just a 3/1/6 of an inch thick medium density fiberboard back. I'll replace them with oriented strand board melamine or thicker plywood since I don't trust this, though it might work. If you have junk to store in a basement that's not very heavy, why not? What surprised me was the assembly. I'm not referring to the pegs in the eyelets since that's standard. You only need a small mallet and it goes in easily without tools. I'm referring to assembling the shelving. You can set it at half height as a work surface or fully assemble it for full height. At first I doubted the little bracket, but it actually holds well, which is good news. As I said, you can tell they cut corners on the cam, but Euro 39.99? After assembly, install it where needed and secure it to the wall with anchors and screws. It works well for Euro 39.99. I've already bought shelves that cost more and were lower quality, especially resin shelves. Resin shelves were once very popular. They snap together without tools. Well, after a while it bends, it's crap, so this is still steel, it's galvanized, it won't rust. So you'll definitely have to replace the little pads because those will get crushed over time with thicker pads. But everything's there. We've got the angle irons, tool-free assembly since there are no screws, no bolts, no washers, nothing. The little pads, the shelves, and Euro 39.99. I'll share the Lidl website link for the Parkside shelving, plus a link to another do-it-yourself store. Because I think you can find it at a do-it-yourself store. It's a classic type of shelving, and I'll put the links to the Ruxell's website for you. For the shelving units I buy, which are really more high-end but also much more expensive but also more stylish. Okay, so this shelving unit, you can go for it at Euro 39.99, it'll do the job.